Hi guys. So today me and Gasper will be doing a performance for you guys. So I'll be singing a Taiwanese song and Gasper will be doing the magic for us. Are you all ready? Sit back and enjoy. Ready,
Yes.
Gasper?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Hồ Chí Di Lân nơ lao Chia vô lăng ca lăng yêu hào Qua bố lý Chia đia lý áo Chia lý cô xiao lia ý xí xuân ní u à gạo Chia hô chia pa e bố kê caoวันเตมาเบียว哩秋我会甲你牵条条，因为我是你的骄傲。Oh, thank you.
等到满头白发，孩子们都长大，我陪着你去看天涯海角的浪花。等那青石落下，我们都老了，相依相伴一起去看夕阳蓝红霞。等到满嘴美呀，说不清楚话，我也愿意看你比划当初的情话。等你转身退下，我泪如雨下，下辈子我一定还要和你成个家。等那青石落下，我们都老了，相依相伴一起去看夕阳蓝红霞。等到满嘴美呀，说不清楚话，我也愿意看你比划当初的情话。等你转身退下，我泪如雨下，下辈子我一定还要和你成个家。等到满嘴美呀，说不清楚话，我也愿意看你比划当初的情话。等你转身退下，我泪如雨下，下辈子我一定还要和你成个家，下辈子我一定还要和你成个家。
Hello guys, welcome to Seo's Kitchen. So today we'll be making scrambled eggs. So when you hear scrambled eggs, you guys will be thinking, oh, she's not putting effort at all. But this is not just some simple scrambled eggs, guys. This is onion scrambled eggs. And not some simple onion scrambled eggs. It's Taiwanese special onion scrambled eggs. So we are traveling to Taiwan today. Let's get going. So let's move to the ingredients. I'm taking 3 eggs, garlic, onion. So they are using chicken broth powder in it and I don't have it. So I'll be using chicken masala. And they use white pepper. I don't have it. So I use black pepper. And adding my own ingredient, grated cheese. Now let's go to the next step. Yes.
So now I'm going to show off my chopping skills. Yes, let's start with onion. Yeah.
So we have our chopped garlic and chopped onions ready. And I'm not crying, guys. Let's get going. Heat your pan, put some oil. Once it becomes hot, pour beaten eggs. So, too much oil? A bit too much oil. Scramble. Once the egg is ready, just keep it aside. Pour some more oil into your pan. Once it's hot, add the garlic. Next, add your chopped onions. Once your onion turns golden, next we add those scrambled eggs. Next, we add salt, pepper, and chicken masala. After adding salt, pepper, and chicken masala, saute it. Next, we add my special ingredients and close it for some time. Grated cheese, close. Ta-da! Someone had been waiting for me outside the kitchen just because of the smell of the eggs and not for me. Let's open it. Wow. My mom is definitely gonna kill me for this oil, but it's okay. And our Taiwanese special onion scrambled eggs are ready. Ta-da! I'll taste it and tell how it is. Not bad. I like it. Especially I cook, so it should be the best. So until my next kitchen story, see you guys. And do try and tell me how it is. And bye bye. That's done. Please subscribe my channel.